Good morning. I am Karen Masolia. I am the owner and founder and president of US Health Coaches, and I'm going to speak with you a little bit this morning about what we do at US Health Coaches. I'm going to play this slideshow. So the effects of an unhealthy employee are significant. They're likely to be sick more often. They're more fatigued. They have more absenteeism, less energy. They're less motivated. They're less productive. And they're more prone to costly mistakes, which leads to missed work days, increases in health, work comp, and disability insurance. And these expenses can be up to half of your corporate profits. Studies show that companies that provide an effective wellness program have increased employee retention, reduced job turnover, and that results in a decreased expense in recruiting costs and training costs. 88% of employees describe access to health and wellness programs is an important factor in defining an employer of choice. These tangible results lead to intangible. Increased improved company morale, greater employee awareness, increased employee loyalty to your company. 53% of employers report that wellness programs increase in employees' engagement at work. 64% of employees report an increased productivity directly related to their participation in wellness programs. Overall, for every dollar spent, employee wellness return on your investment is $3.58. The largest health risk that we have in our country today is the obesity epidemic. 35% of our country is obese, according to the CDC. This means a risk of stroke, many forms of cancer, GERD, heart disease, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, diabetes, and many, many more risk factors are associated with obesity. Obese men are sick an extra 6 days a year, and obese women, 9.4 extra sick days per year. Altogether, obesity-related absenteeism costs employers $6.4 billion a year. Overweight employees cost companies in general, not just the absenteeism, but in general, $73.1 billion a year. They file twice as many workers' comp claims. The average medical claims cost per 100 is $51,000 for obese employees. For non-obese, it's $7,500. That's a cost difference of $43,500 in medical claims. Many physicians and corporate wellness studies show that the risk of 75% of our health risks go away when we get to a healthy BMI. As you can see in this study. This is a study done by the Cleveland Clinic and shows what issues get resolved when you get to a healthy BMI. And it's not our fault. It's not their fault. We're dealing with a fast food culture, comfortable sedentary lifestyle that's setting people up for failure. And it's important that they understand that. 75% of our health risks go away when we get to a healthy BMI, as I mentioned. 7 times higher, greater medical claims. 2 times higher workers' comp claims. 13 times more missed work time from injury or illness. 75% of our healthcare costs are preventable and related to our choosing health, our eating, exercise, and stress management. The knowledge of how to create a healthy lifestyle, one microhabit at a time, is the place where great wellness programs can make all the difference. Here's some examples of some people we've helped. John was a 35-year-old male. He lost 50 pounds. He was diabetic, and the doctors actually took the diabetes diagnosis off of his chart. Sandra is a 60-year-old female. She lost 40 pounds, cut her diabetic meds in half in the first 2 weeks, significantly reduced her inflammation and pain, and became more mobile. Barb is a 40-year-old female. She cut her diabetic medications in half. As you can tell, we're really, really focused in on helping diabetics. She lost 30 pounds in the first 3 months, was able to spend quality time with her family and have peace of mind about her health. So what is our approach? Our approach to healthcare is similar to auto insurance. It requires that you take a course and you pass. And in this case, it's the biometrics. It's looking at your biometrics. That you maintain a clean driving record. And premiums go up if you have a speeding ticket or an accident. And you may need more education if that happens. This all helps prevent future claims and accidents. Obtaining health insurance is the same. Obtain a low rate by meeting the clean record biometrics and assessments that show that you are a low or lower risk. If they have a chronic condition, the employee works with the health coach to reach the agreed upon goals for their health using the approach that provides predictable results. These proactive steps keep costs down by lowering the risk factors of high blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes, and obesity. U.S. Health Coaches is ready to help usher in a new era of health with far-reaching effects for both your company, your employees, and our country. Employees are up to 350 times more likely to create healthy habits when working one-to-one with a health coach. While increasing your bottom line, by partnering with us, we can make a real difference. Many impersonal, one-size-fits-all corporate programs fail. Our approach succeeds because we work individually with people. We have a 30-year track record in our approach, reliably producing predictable results. And we help employees create a healthy lifestyle, one microhabit at a time. Going past virtual programs and offering caring, effective personal coaching, screenings, and an ongoing supportive environment to sustain healthy habits. This culture shift occurs through nurturing an ongoing process that includes lunch and learns, seminars, education, challenges, and creating teamwork with your employees. Your company is unique, so we create individual programs addressing your specific needs. Our coaches create individualized programs for your corporation. We look at your organization, your employees, their needs, and the culture of health to help you give the predictable results to create a culture of health, creating health so your employees can live the life of their dreams, to have the life that truly matters to them. And you make that possible by providing this incredible opportunity to your employees. We utilize the 7 benchmarks of wellness in our program, so ask for that video and I'll walk you through those steps. Thank you very much.